Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into a seriously fascinating challenge-style case study all about making money online. We're going to break down exactly how a simple 7-day AI dropshipping experiment actually works, but more importantly, we're going to look at why a seemingly tiny profit margin actually reveals a massive opportunity.
Okay, let's dive into this, because I really want to challenge your expectations right out of the gate. We're constantly bombarded with these wild claims of making millions of dollars overnight, right? Against that backdrop, spending a whole week just to make around $80, which is basically the cost of a decent dinner out, might seem like a complete waste of time. But is it really?
Well, here's the exact number we're analyzing today, $80.35. That is the net profit generated from the 7-day challenge in our source material. And I want you to look at this figure not as a failure or some kind of disappointment, but literally as a monumental proof of concept. To truly understand why this specific number is actually a massive win, we need to reverse engineer exactly how the creator got here.
Section 1. The challenge formula: high stakes, low barriers.
To make an experiment like this truly compelling, you've got to establish trust right away. And the creator did this by introducing an absolutely brilliant gimmick: 3 strict rules. Number 1, keep the setup cost under $1. Actually, scratch that. It's more like proving you can do it for practically nothing. Number 2, use only a laptop. And number 3, finish the entire business setup in under 1 hour. By setting these high-stakes constraints, the creator completely removes all traditional barriers to entry. It proves to the audience that this method isn't just theory, it's highly accessible to anyone watching. Moving right along to Section 2, AI setup and marketing twist. Now, if you only have 1 hour and $1 single dollar, you absolutely cannot do things the old-fashioned way. The secret here lies in using a highly focused tech stack to automate all the heavy lifting. The creator used an AI store builder to instantly generate the website, along with a tool called AutoDS. If you aren't familiar with it, AutoDS basically handles all the automated product sourcing and shipping directly to the customer, so you don't have to hold any inventory whatsoever. By leaning entirely on AI, a solid business foundation that used to take weeks to build can now be launched in literal minutes. It's a real game changer. But of course, a store is nothing without a product, right? And here's a massive key takeaway. Instead of building a generic store filled with hundreds of random items, the creator focused entirely on one specific hero product. In this particular case, a breathing trainer. It's incredibly clever because it targets a very specific niche, like athletes or wellness enthusiasts, with a distinct problem. Narrowing the focus down to just one item lets you tell a highly compelling, singular story that actually captures people's attention. And speaking of capturing attention, that requires marketing. Normally, dropshippers just pour money into expensive, super complicated standard Facebook ads. But remember our $1 budget? The creator pivoted to a brilliant marketing twist, leveraging micro-influencers on Instagram. Instead of paying these massive upfront fees, you just offer them a cut of the sales they generate. It's a fantastic, low-cost, highly targeted strategy that fits those challenge constraints perfectly.
Which brings us to Section 3. Why $80 means success.
So we've seen the setup, now let's look at the sheer reality of the numbers. Now what's really interesting about this slide is how the math breaks down. The total revenue came in at $170.85. Tool and ad costs were $90.50, and that leaves a precise net profit of $80.35. Now you might be wondering, why does this specific number prove business viability? Well, because this positive ROI, however small, proves the customer acquisition cost is lower than the product margin. In the business world, once you prove a machine can turn $1 into $2, it's just a matter of optimizing and scaling the whole shebang. That $80 is the ultimate proof of concept. And you know, the way this was presented is just as important as the numbers themselves. The creator actually showed their receipts. This means openly displaying the actual dashboard numbers from platforms like Shopify, Stripe, or PayPal. Being completely honest about the costs, the struggles, and the real numbers cuts right through that typical get-rich-quick noise that spreads like wildfire on the internet. It builds undeniable viewer trust.
All right, Section 4. Replicating the winning blueprint.
So, how do we actually put this into practice? Well, the source material provides a master blueprint so you can replicate this exact format for your own niche. It all starts with a 1,500-word script structure that you can literally plug right into an AI generator like ChatGPT or Claude. The flow goes exactly like this. You start with a hook, revealing the final profit. Then you define your 3 rules to prove it's easy. You explain the AI setup, show the product selection, reveal your marketing twist, and finally, you end with your transparent results. It creates an absolutely perfect narrative arc. So the crucial point is that your execution absolutely must match your premise. If you're claiming a 1-hour setup for your own 7-day challenge, the content you produce needs to feel fast and efficient. You want to use high-quality screen recordings to capture those AI magic moments where the store is just built instantly. Make sure to cut out all the dead air to keep things moving. Always show your real dashboard receipts and, strategically speaking, make sure you include your affiliate links for the AI tools you demonstrate to add another stream of revenue.
We've deconstructed the hook, the AI stack, the marketing twist, and exactly why an $80 profit is a massive victory for business viability. You've now got the AI blueprint and the exact script structure in your hands. So I'll leave you with this. What will your 7-day challenge be? Take these constraints, use the tools available, and let's see what you can build.